Hello, this is Russell Parry from Advanced Food Safety Limited, and I just want to talk to you about our Level 2 Food Hygiene training course under the ALLSAFE brand. Now, this course, most importantly, is accepted by environmental health officers. It's accepted by BRCGS auditors and other GFSI scheme auditors as well, and it's accepted by SALSA auditors. So it'll cover all the requirements for training for any of these certificated standards that you might be going for. We have here the book version, so a hard copy book version. We also have an e-learning version if you prefer online training. The beauty of online training, of course, is that you can access the exam immediately after you've completed the course material. In both of them, the book and the e-learning, there's a mock exam there as well. So if you've not done an exam for a while, you can try that out before you do the actual final exam. So let's have a look at the course content. And you can see that here, all detailed, and it goes through food hygiene, microorganisms, food poisoning, temperature control and microorganisms, legislation, contamination and cross-contamination, common food hazards, microbiological hazards, chemical and physical hazards. There's a section on allergens as well. Personal standards are covered. Storage and temperature control, premise design and construction is in here. Cleaning and disinfection, pest control is in here as well. Waste disposal, and the final chapter is an introduction to HACCP. So this will cover your training, your initial training for HACCP awareness before you go on to higher level courses. The course itself, the book and the online, is illustrated throughout. It's also written in plain English as well, so nice and easy to understand. Now, unlike some courses that are out there, this is a full Level 2 course. It's based on the RSPH Level 2 syllabus, and it is a replacement course for a typical one-day food hygiene training course. It's suitable for workers in food manufacturing, in catering, in hospitality, and also for workers in the food packaging manufacturing industry and food storage and distribution industry as well. We pride ourselves here at Advanced Food Safety as providing everything as low cost as possible. So you don't have to buy tens of courses or hundreds of courses to get a decent discount on the product. It's there, the lowest cost already. For companies that do buy sufficient quantities, we can add your company logo to the certificate. That is free of charge. And something else that we do as well, we keep a database for each company, so we know exactly when individuals have started the training, when they finished, when the certificates were issued, and when they're due for renewal as well. So that takes a little bit of the background organization of management of training away from you. You've only got to contact us and we can provide you with all that information. So next time you are updating your food hygiene, or you have new employees with the business and you need to get them through a full Level 2 food hygiene training course, you know where to come. So the information, more detailed information, is on the website. That's www.allsafe.org.uk, and the link direct to the pages for the book version and also for the e-learning version is in the link below. Okay, in the details below. So thank you very much and enjoy your training. Bye now.